Hagayakop Miss Teenager yang usnem arajar arpawar wa penman da kechut wakhu social welfare local darbar hejan mit kalipau trik unai wakende wada wancim benta da kikat armut ki khalut miat kenthai na kichnong waper gajalla ka Aishwariya Malang wasa hakli yang riang Jowai da yora ko ye nam jom ka emi chwa da ka bi ladia na kichnong mustem dara ko ye nam first runners up katwa ko oda rika kamarwar wasa ha chut wakhu Jowai dara ko ye nam second runners up yakini ki khalot wada mi rensan u yakop hagani ka janmen da bichar da ki songut wakan thop yau Dr. Khamjan Charmang uli medilton kasokini sutanga wakatan wi marang irukom yakop da penman hakile kala hagakala wanangkong da penman da ka traditional fusion round ka waar wanto ka beauty pageant de classics round ka wale wan evening gown round nei tena perdi ki khat arngut ki waya opsia haga top 8 contestant da chimbenta wan ki he jubab ye yukuli katwa ki waya opsia top 5 da chimbenta ki haga common question round na ijubab ye ijo yukuli de watho depte pure hadin ibichar da ki wa bichar liang wanang da yobianggi ya ka Aishwariya Malang uyo ko ye nam job teenager yang usnem arhajar arpawar chwa ini da em kailang tebian wad em lang u MLA ke Jowai constituency u wailat mikishla UMDC ke JHADC u Oktober wat lamin wa kiwi na jarong ki wa he avsian ga chnong chut wakhu ki wa khana ya ga thong wa penman ki kam kani ka jai yakom to yo elat yawro ki wa em sap hakaleng ki thaw ko jilla wan chim benta ki
crown tonight?
Thank you, sir, for your question. If I happen to win the crown tonight, I would love to inspire my fellow teenagers to believe in themselves, have faith in their capabilities, and know that you can achieve every possibility in life. You are the leader of yourself, and you can achieve anything in life once you set your mind to it, and know that you are the one who can achieve it. Thank you.
Do you think it's important for teens to actively volunteer in their communities?
Thank you, sir, for the question. According to me, I think it's very important for teens like us to actively volunteer in the communities, as we are already young adults who are capable in bringing the change, even though it is a small one. It allows us to build our confidence and skills, which will help us to tackle any obstacles in our life. Thank you.
How has the COVID-19 pandemic affected the students' life?
Thank you, sir, for the question. COVID-19 pandemic has had a huge impact on students' life. The sudden adoption of online learning at all education levels transformed the way we learn. Initially, it completely halted extracurricular activities and impacted students' performance and achievements to a great extent, creating a great challenge for educators. Student routines, sleeping habits, and study schedules have hampered briefly. Cancellation of exams, passing students based on their internals may impact their career in the future. Also, all students are not from the same geographical regions and financial background. Therefore, they struggle in accessing the internet and setting up their learning environment. And this has surely impacted their achievement and performance. Thank you.
And your question is, according to you, what is more important, money or fame? Why?
Thank you, sir, for the question. According to me, being famous or being rich doesn't matter. At the end, we all need at least one person to remember us for the good that we've done. We've only got one life. Why waste it by running behind money or fame? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Contestant number 3, Wyrta Kamarwa. The second top 5 is contestant number 11, Aishwariya. The third contestant in the top 5 is contestant number 10, Sayo. Next is contestant number 12, and last but not the least, any guesses? Okay. The last contestant in the top 5 is contestant number 8. Well, ladies and gentlemen, these are your top 5. Can we have a big round of applause for all the other contestants? What is the biggest challenge young girls are facing today and how to overcome it? I'll repeat the question. What is the biggest challenge young girls are facing today and how to overcome it? Well, your time starts now.
The biggest challenge young girls are facing today is the lack of self-confidence and self-esteem. Young girls today don't believe in themselves. Well, Taking advantage of this platform, I want to inspire every young girl to believe in themselves and see the difference. Then you will see how beautiful the world is and how unique you are. Thank you.
Talking about this makes us think just for violence and destructive challenges. But I'm here to remind us that the biggest challenge we face as young girls is appearance focus. We are more focused on our appearance that we tend to compare ourselves with others. My advice to myself and other young girl is to wake up and be more focused on other things in the society and in the world that will give us a bright and a better future. Thank you.
Appearance anxiety and belief in themselves is the biggest challenge you are facing today. So stop comparing yourself with others, because you are beautiful and unique in your own way. Stand up for yourself and show the world what you can do and make it change. Well, I believe in myself, and that's why I'm here standing in front of you all tonight. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think the biggest challenge young girls are facing today is peer pressure. Peer pressure has forced teenage girls to look or behave a certain way that gives them a sense of belongingness. This has even led them to take up habits that they otherwise aren't supposed to or aren't interested in. I want to tell young girls that they are unique in their own way. Do not compare yourself to others. Practice gratitude. I couldn't add more. Thank you.
I think the biggest challenge young girls are facing today is identity crisis. Teens are highly exposed to social media. The high bar of beauty standards has affected teens to a point where they tend to hate themselves. You have the potential to overcome the challenge, and you have the strong will. Thank you.